yes and no to required, by which does a man remain more honored than? And I tell you, well, whichever you take, my friend, you shall be vanquished in this tenso's fight. Lord, I'm Eric with such a doctor's lore. I see that you are mad and well you know it, whereby by every right you shall be above it. Even if you had the sense of Cato of yore, for never I think did a man see a barren sore, by saying no raised up in worth's own glow, and by yes I see honored deeds and so fulfilled with noble spending more and more. Puei of a great folly's store, I see that you are tangled high and low, and yes against no you reason so, and now I will prove it to you and more. For I have seen a man commit treason's blow, who was prized for it, so he remained the more guilty, because he said yes where he should say no, no. Lord, I married the yes through a traitor's show. It's not broken nor has it less of goodness as core, but by saying no, this is truth, and so a man lose his rich, joyful many a time and more. All pleasure, all service, all givings flow, baseness increases from it as you know. Vexing is no, and it does not please I trow. Friend, and through you, you know it as I vow. Peire Cardenal, many an outcries roar. Have I heard from yes, no, this, and so I show, and I know it through the wicked barons his way, who make promises without givings glow. And so I prize more the no than the yes I say, the yes by which a man is called always a liar and ill-taught and led astray, and his companions leave him and go their way. Lord, I merit, yes, are the better day by day, by which good worth is raised up as men may know, and no holds the base powers in its sway. Whatever they may say, yes is not without profit's ray. So in the yes I place the good Lord Hugh of Box, in whom fine worth has made its stay, and you in the no, whoever may wish it you. Raymond or Bertrand or Peter, as they say, Peire Cardenal, puei, the yes and the no shall be in province judged by the right way, by my Lord, Lord Blackouts, if it please him so. For of another I would not think it good, I say. Lord, I merit, well it seems to me by reason's ray, for he is frank and well instructed as men know, and through him the truth shall be spoken come what may. And I go straight toward Lord Hugh.